үзэгчтэй. Өнөөдөр чиглэлтэй TikTok үзэх болно. За. Өнөөдөр хэлцээ гэж яах вэ? Үзцээ.
I am the fastest reader in the world. I will read this.
What?
Okay? Okay. I'm the fastest reader in the world. I will read this book in 2 seconds. Starting from chapter 1.
Mi bomboklat.
Okay, bro? If you're not laughing, I will go to space.
That one got me, bro. Like,
Kendrick Lamar.
Is it Kendrick Lamar?
It's Kendrick Lamar. It's Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar. Intimidate.
Intimidate. It's intimidate. Oh my gosh, your English is so intimidating.
Are you crazy?
Manchester City.
Trash.
What? Manchester City is good.
Trash.
Abruptly. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
What is umbrella? It's umbrella.
Like under my umbrella. Illa, eh. You don't know that song?
Kendrick Lamar.
Is it Kendrick Lamar?
What the hell?
stupid Enderman. Wait, I'm waiting for you. Wait. You. Stupid Enderman. Wait, I'm waiting for you. Wait. You can't get in here. Yo! Look. Oh, he just rizzed him. He just rizzed.
Ани мэдээштэй тэгснэ энэ Netherite baby zombie ороод ирнэ. Netherite товцтой. What the?
So I can finally organize my items. This is awesome. No. Oh, my PC. Oh, my PC.
Энэ блог тавьжтэй шахаж. Cool. Нөгөө ингэ. Тэсний доктороос нь бага суугаад ирдэ. Speeder.
Stupid Enderman.
Яа, тэнэжтэй юм байна.
I have cable. I have altan. Cable altan. I have tang ball. I have altan. Tang ball altan. Tang ball altan. Cable altan. tang cable altan.
아니야, 이건 아니야.
cable tang ball altan.
야, 아우, 나가 너.
헤헤헤.
Танараа чи юу ч
Ямар ч үг хэлэхгүй.
байж ах юм.
Юу вэ? Хичээлэл хийж штэ.
Яаж?
Чат GPT-гээр гэрийнхаа даалгаврыг хэлж байна.
Йоо, чи ингэж яхаар өөрөө надад тархилгаараа хичээл хамаа хийж ивэл ирээдүйд ч л хэрэгтэй дээ гэхээр.
Goodbye. He's just making regular ice cream. Fun chocolate? Oh, is that mine? Take it. Thanks.
Just don't eat it, don't look at him.
I won't, don't worry.
Yo, the fact that he's just still smiling and he hasn't stopped smiling is really creepy. Yeah.
Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. What I gotta do to get it through to you.
Зарим хүмүүс easy гэдэг юм шиг. За энэ жинхэнэ нүцээ та. Жолноо дэдгэнс.
Confess your love song tutorial. Want to me confess your love at least just say confess your love at least just say confess your love.
Энэс гоё зүсэн тий.
Confess your love at least just say confess your love at least just say confess your love.
Go. 0, 0, 2. Got it. 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2. Got it.
In this video, crafting is extremely overpowered. A simple crafting table can make super items, and can also randomly multiply every item.
Alan, me and my brothers.
In order to date our sister Chelsea, you'll need to pass a challenge from all 7 brothers to win our approval. You love Chelsea? Then let's go!
That's Caleb, my daredevil brother.
Okay, little gamer boy. It's your move.
I can do this. You can. Just think.
Cześć. 혼자가 따뜻한 줄.
How's my skill level? Not bad, gamer boy. Looks like your video game skills proved useful in real life. Pass my challenge.
Where did you learn how to ride a bike like that?
Well, I guess all those hours playing video games weren't a waste after all.
Well, hello.
내가 예전쇼 그때 네 이름을 듣고 갔었어.
My challenge is simple.
안자갈 발탁전. 이미 우리 나타도 우리 못했고.
Prove that you're
Бас
stronger
буцан
than
тай
me,
гоё шүү дээ.
and you advance.
Eating. He's using his other arm to push the table for more strength.
Smart little gamer boy. Strength is not only physical ability, but also the
네,
mental
좋은
ability
걸
to
알아.
find your own way to win. I didn't say you needed to defeat me in the arm wrestle, but to prove you're stronger than me. And you did. You passed the challenge. Congratulations.
Great job.
어제 다쳤다고. What the fuck?
Confidence is key. And please, subscribe.
That's Ethan. He's our famous brother, a fashion influencer.
Wow. Slay.
You shouldn't underestimate Ethan. He's a
When you
fearless
state
man
in
who
us,
breaks
what the
down
hell?
society's boundaries.
Eating. He's using his. Eating. He's using. Oh, please don't. Eating. He's using. Eating.
맞아. 이거 또 써야 돼.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty, nasty, nasty. Somebody gonna match my freak. Somebody gonna match my freak. Somebody gonna match my nasty.
Damn, girl, that's what we call a level 10 yacht right there. You got no business being double cheeked up like that on a Thursday afternoon. Look, if I got out of here, I would clippity clap them cheeks. I may be a seal, but I ain't lying. I think you broke Kevin. You good, Kevin? Bro. Kevin.
Okay, kiss your screen in 3, 2, 1. Did you do it?
Oh, you got the hiccup, huh? I can get rid of them, no problem. Did that work? Are they gone? Are they gone? Yeah, they're probably gone now. I bet they're gone. Nope. No, you still got them, huh? Yeah, they usually work. Well, hello there. You, come to this sandbar often? Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I swim by a